So trying out budget earbuds really is an eye-opener for me, and I realized how much you can achieve with the lowest of budgets. And when it comes to a company that delivers great value with very little money, QCY is the company to go for. I personally think that almost, if not all, of QCY products are made with the same great formula, so will this be any different? Welcome to a review of the QCY T9. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the QCY T9. So the QCY T9 is a very simple, no-fuss budget earbuds, mostly targeted to the active bunch, and is designed to give you maximum security when using them for sports. I'm really surprised when I found out how much these earbuds actually go for, so I'm really excited to know how they perform. QCY has graciously sent me these earbuds for me to check out, and I'm extremely happy to be able to share my experiences with you. Although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The QCY T9 retails now for super affordable 15 US, and that translates to about 60 Malaysia ringgit. If you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. When I first took out the T9, it immediately reminded me of the Soundpeats True Free 2, and I personally think they both are very similar earbuds, with the exception that the True Free 2 retails for about twice the price. The T9 is designed with simplicity in mind and for something that you just carry around without worrying about protecting it too much. The case is made out of a simple hard plastic and doesn't seem to be those that scratches easily. At the top of the case, you'll see the nice QCY branding there, nicely etched into the case, and has a nice glossy look to it, perfectly contrasting the matte black case here. In the front of the case, you'll see a multicolor LED indicator that tells you the battery percentage of the case, and at the back of the case you'll find a micro USB charging port. Honestly, I really hope that it had Type-C, but at 15 bucks, maybe we got to tone down the expectation a little bit. Opening the case, you'll notice that the lid meets the expectation of most budget earbuds lid. There is no friction lid here, and it'll definitely slam shut when you tilt the case around. And inside, you'll see the earbuds sitting nice and snugly inside the case, and the earbuds are held on by a pretty strong magnet. The earbuds look really similar to the True Free 2, so I have the True Free 2 here on my right and the QCY T9 on my left, but when you put them side by side, you start to notice a little bit of a difference here and there. For me, the key features of these earbuds, both of these, are the wings that is incorporated to ensure that the earbuds stay nice and snugly inside your ears when you move around. I think it does a great job keeping the earbuds in your ears, but the only thing to note is that the size of these earbuds, very similar to the True Free 2, are not the smallest, so if you have smaller ears, this might not fit you properly. And the QCY T9 uses a button instead of the touch sensor, and it's very easy to press. It doesn't require you to jam it into your ears to register a press. On the button of the earbuds, you will see the QCY branding, and cleverly hidden on the button is also an LED indicator that doesn't really light up most of the time, other than when it's trying to connect to your phone. Apart from that, the design of the earbuds is a pretty standard looking true wireless earbuds, and ultimately the earbuds will give you about 4 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you a total of 20 hours of playback time. That is about 5 full charge cycles, and the case and the earbuds charges up in about 2 hours. Definitely not the fastest charging speed out there. For a budget earbuds, the T9 is a very well spec and is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0. However, QCY doesn't publish the chipset that they use, but at least it tells us that it supports the SBC audio codec, which is not the best but still gets the job done pretty nicely. These earbuds also comes with a mediocre IPX4 water resistant rating and is quite far away from what the True Free 2 offers you at IPX7. But for half the price, maybe IPX4 is justified and should cover you for most of your workout sessions and even getting caught under the rain. And since these earbuds are not designed for swimming, so please don't bring them soon. The amazing thing of newer QCY earbuds is also the support for almost seamless mono and stereo mode. So no longer are the days where you have to connect individual sides of the earbuds to use mono mode, so just pick up any side of the T9 and you're ready to go. Lastly, the T9 doesn't support multi-point connectivity. Yes, you can connect it to multiple devices, but not at the same time. So you gotta choose which device you want to use at any one point. So the cool thing about most QCY earbuds nowadays is that it's all supported by the QCY application. All you gotta do is open up the case and the earbuds will immediately connect, and you will see an animation very similar to what the AirPods do, and it tells you the battery percentage of the right and left earbuds, but it doesn't tell you more about the case battery life. So if you click into the earbuds, of course the first thing that I do is to re-customize or remap some of the buttons here. So this is my favorite currently, whereby my left tap will be volume up, right tap will be volume down, and for my double tap, the left side will be skipping the track backwards, and for the right side will be skipping a track forward, and for my triple tap, my left side will be calling out my voice assistant, and the right side will be play or pause media. So for me personally, I find this is the most complete and comprehensive controls that I would use. Scrolling down a little bit more, you get to the equalizer. Of course, similar to most QCY earbuds, you can click on customize and you can go and choose all the different EQs that you want. And personally for these earbuds, because it's a little bit on the bassier end, so what I'll do normally is that I'll raise the mids and highs a little bit and leave the bass slightly on the lower end there. So that's my favorite for now. And if you scroll slightly lower, you will see Find My Headset. So this is the same one as the T7, whereby it will start to make the earbuds beep. And that's basically all of the controls and all of the things you can do inside the QCY app for the T9. So let's get to the interesting part of these earbuds, the sound quality. The sound quality of the T9 is very decent and has a very nice balanced profile overall. These earphones are a little bit on the bassier end of the spectrum, but balanced in a way that it doesn't kill out the mids and the high. And combining it with the EQ controls in the app, the T9 is a very flexible sounding earbud. Out of the box, the earbuds are pretty bassy, so just adjust the EQ to your liking and this earbuds will suit any type of songs that you can possibly throw at it. The soundstage of it feels okay, not the widest, so watching movies gives you a pretty neutral feeling but doesn't wow you or blow your mind. So if you're looking for something simple with good sound quality and good bass, the QCY is definitely for you. And in terms of good call quality, the T9 definitely surpasses the True Free 2 and performs exceptionally well for a budget pair of earbuds. Call quality is great in quiet places, and in noisier environments it doesn't cancel out the background chatters, but instead it lets your voice come through nice and clearly, so very impressive there. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the QCY T9 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. With Bluetooth 5.0, there are really no issues with latency when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. However, playing games like PUBG, it still does have a very obvious delay. It's okay to use it for casual gaming, but if you're looking for anything competitive, this is definitely not the earbuds to go for. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Overall, I am super impressed with the performance to price ratio of the QCY T9, and for the price you don't even have to consider and just get these earbuds to be part of your collection. Use it every day, go everywhere with it, and the best part is you don't have to spend money to buy cases to protect your earbuds. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.